No, you. I didn't say Dan.
What he wants attention and he's tired.
And you invite everything. All right.
Yeah, Howard, I'm sitting in
Now open that up. Rip into it, girl.
Do you need some help?
Oh,
Somebody stuck it on there too tight. With really good. You just want a toy. Not that.
Give me 5.
What's in there?
There's a good 5. Slow 5. Slow. Slow. Slow.
Howard, hold it down. Thank you.
Dog.
Slow 5.
Oh. She's not sure she's allowed to do anything with it.
She keeps closing her eyes.
What's in there?
Doggy dog.
What's in there?
No, nothing. Nothing, something. What's in your napkin?
She's thinking.
Can you open that? Can you yank on it?
no, Dan, no, not for you.
Ben, off. Stop. Oops, sorry.
What's in there? What's in there?
He's hiding.
She's looking in there because she can see it. She just doesn't know what to do about it.
What's in there? Pull it open? What is that?
That was a word, yeah.
Charles. Bomb. Do you
Your
want to
sister
help
doesn't know
her
what-
open that up?